Did you know that watercress is ranked as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet? It's even higher than kale and spinach. If you're looking for a simple way to supercharge your diet, watercress might just be the ultimate superfood. Let's dive in. Watercress often flies under the radar when we talk about superfoods, but this humble leafy green has been prized for centuries for its incredible health benefits. From ancient Greece to modern nutrition science, watercress has earned its reputation as a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. In today's video, we're going to explore why watercress deserves a spot on your plate and how it can transform your health. Superfoods have become a buzzword in the health world, with kale, spinach, and quinoa stealing the spotlight. But here's the problem: many of us overlook nutrient-dense foods that are just as, if not more, beneficial for our health. Watercress is one of those hidden gems. The challenge is that most people don't know what watercress is, how to use it, or just how nutrient-packed it really is. Did you know it's a staple in traditional medicine and was even called the food of longevity in ancient times? If you're tired of hearing about the same superfoods over and over, it's time to give watercress the attention it deserves. But what exactly makes it so special? Let's find out. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional profile of watercress and why it's considered a superfood. Packed with vitamins and minerals, watercress is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. It also contains calcium, magnesium, and potassium, essential minerals for bone and muscle health. Antioxidant powerhouse, this leafy green is rich in antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which help combat free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Supports heart health. Watercress contains compounds like nitrates that help lower blood pressure and improve circulation. Studies have shown that a diet rich in watercress can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Boosts immunity. Thanks to its high vitamin C content, watercress strengthens your immune system, helping you fight off colds and infections. Promotes skin health. The antioxidants in watercress also work wonders for your skin, reducing wrinkles and promoting a healthy glow. Detoxifying properties. Watercress is a natural detoxifier. It helps cleanse your liver and kidneys by flushing out toxins from your body. So, how can you add this superfood to your meals? Toss it into salads for a peppery kick. Blend it into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Use it as a garnish for soups and sandwiches. Stir it into pasta dishes or use it as a base for pesto. Watercress is versatile, delicious, and incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. Let me share a compelling example of watercress's benefits. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming watercress daily increased levels of antioxidants in the blood and reduced DNA damage, a marker linked to cancer prevention. Even athletes have discovered its power. Some studies suggest that watercress can reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress, improving recovery and performance. And let's not forget its historical use. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, was said to have built his first hospital near a stream to ensure a steady supply of fresh watercress for treating patients. With all this evidence, it's no wonder watercress has earned the title of nature's multivitamin. So, what makes watercress so remarkable? It's a nutrient-dense superfood packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and compounds that support your heart, skin, immunity, and overall health. Best of all, it's versatile and easy to add to your meals, making it an accessible way to upgrade your diet. If you're looking for a natural, delicious way to boost your health, watercress is the ultimate choice. It's time to move this unsung hero of the produce aisle into the spotlight. Now I want to hear from you. Have you tried watercress before? How do you like to use it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're curious about more superfoods, check out my video on the top 5 greens you need in your diet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. See you in the next video.